Yes, dear students, good morning. Today I will discuss about exercise 5.1. In this exercise, first question it is given. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So first question is, first situation it is given. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometers. Yes, for the first kilometer 15 rupees, this becomes the first term. You have to write A1 is equals to or A is equals to 15 rupees, right? Okay, for each next kilometers 8 rupees he is adding, right? Okay, that is the common difference. D is equals to 8 rupees, right? Here you well known the general form of arithmetic progression. General form of arithmetic progression: a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma so on. Okay, in the place of a you have to substitute here 15 comma 15 plus d. What is d? 8. 15 plus 2 into 8. Okay, like this it will continue, right? This is 15 comma 15 plus 8 is 23 comma 15 to 8 is a 16. 16 6 plus 5 1, and next 1 plus 1 is 31. It becomes 31, right? Okay, it means this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term. You have to subtract this first term in the second term in the third term. You will get the common difference, same, that is 8. Therefore this is an AP. Okay, it forms an AP. This is about first question. And second situation it is given. Second situation, what is second situation? The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Yes, you take that vacuum pump, it contains that present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes. Vacuum pump is removing. The amount of air present in the cylinder is V. We have to take it V. V amount of air is present in the cylinder, right? Per time that vacuum pump it is removing 1/4 of the air from the cylinder, right? Okay, so you take 1/4 volume of the air it is removing by the vacuum pump from the amount of air it is present in the cylinder. The amount of air it is present in the cylinder is V cm cube. You have to take it V cm cube, right? Okay, first term it becomes a V because the amount of air it is present in the what? Cylinder. The amount of air present in the cylinder V cm cube. Okay, and then vacuum pump is removing. Vacuum pump is removing 1/4 air, 1/4 air present in the cylinder at a time. right? Therefore A is equals to VCM cube and DB this is not the common difference, this D actually you have to take 1 divided by 4 cm cube, right? Okay, you write A minus D in the sense how much? V minus 1 divided by 4 V, right? V minus 1 by 4 V in the sense 4 into V, it is 4 V minus V divided by 4. Yes, 4V minus V, 3V divided by 4. Yes, this is our second term. This is A1, this is A2, right? And next yes, this is our second term, and then you have to consider this one. It is the VCM cube. This much of amount of air it is present in the water cylinder. At the time it is removing 1/4 of the air. How much it is present in the water cylinder? Therefore, you take this is what A2. You have to find the A3. A3 I think it will not come. That is A3 is equals to 1/4 of the air it is present in the cylinder at the time it is removing from the cylinder, right? 1/4 of the volume VCM cube. So again it will come, that is what, 3V divided by 4. You have to multiply that 3V divided by 4 to this A2. Okay, 3V divided by 4 into 3V divided by 4. Okay, it becomes A3 is equals to 9V divided by 16. 9V divided by 16. So you have to write A3 is equals to 3V divided by 4 bracket square. Yes, it is coming in the form of what it has here. This is not an AP. Yes, it becomes GP. It becomes GP. That common ratio it is the same. Common ratio it becomes the same. Therefore, it becomes an AP. It is not an. It becomes a GP here, and it is not an AP. Right? We have to write here. It is not an AP. It forms AP. Forms AP. First one it forms AP, and second one it does not forms AP. And third situation you see it. The cost of digging well after every meter of digging, when it costs of 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meters. Yes, it forms an AP here. Okay, directly you are right. Forms an AP. And the fourth situation, the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8 compound interest. If he has given compound interest directly or right, it is not an AP, right? Simple interest, if it is there simple interest, it becomes an AP. Here compound interest it is given here, right? That compound interest it does not forms an AP. Okay, it is also not an AP. And second question you have to write, main question number 2, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Okay, with the help of that given things A and D, you have to write the AP with the help of that general form of an AP, that is what A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D, like that. Okay, thank you.